Hello, and as some of you may know, I finally got my new phone yesterday, so I'm recording this video on that new phone. It's a Google Pixel 4, and I pre-ordered it on the 16th of October. Waited a month to get it. I got it on the 16th of November. But as I pre-ordered it, I got something for free as a gift. That thing I got free got delivered today. It's a HP Chromebook 14. So let's open it. Well, this is the knife I was given as a gift because the last video I didn't have a knife. I used scissors and someone didn't like that, so they sent me this. So here's another gift I got. Very nice knife. So without further ado, let's open this. I have a cat next to me, by the way. It is a HP Chromebook 14DB0003NA. It has an AMD A49120C APU, 32GB eMMC, 4GB onboard DDR4 SDR RAM, Google Chrome OS, 35.56 cm 14-inch HD LED display, B&O, whatever B&O is. That information is all there, if you can read it. I'll put a little photo at the end. I think that's all the information, other than my address and the serial number, which I'm not showing you. So yeah, let's open this and see how it comes. Oh, would you look at that? Knife works very well. Inside the box, we have some foam and a Chromebook. Let's see what's in here. USB-C power brick and a charger, plug, adapter, brick, USB-C on the end. Great. So let's see what else we've got in here. We have some paperwork, blah 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 blah, no one cares. This was meant to take 60 days for me to get. I got it today. That's about a month, so that's good. Very good, Google. Thank you. Information on how to use it. It's a laptop. You turn it on and it works. This is for my wife anyway, so I'm not going to use it, as I have no need for a laptop in my life besides talking to you lot on this. I might use it occasionally for like streaming or something, which I might do. We never know. And this is it. There we go. It's nice. Grey plasticky resin. I don't know if it's touchscreen or not, but we'll find out when my wife gets home from work and she plays with it. Nice big touchpad. All clicky keys. Very nice. It says and B&O, which I think is Bang & Olufsen, which might be the speakers, but there's USB and a USB-C, which I think is the PowerPoint. Yep, USB-C PowerPoint, USB 1, USB-C, another PowerPoint there, yep, another USB-C there, micro SD slot, and an earphone jack. And that's about it. On the back, just serial numbers and stuff. And that's it. So, thank you, Google, for my free gift.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Shut up, you. See, I've got a Google Home as well, and that listens to me every so often, every time I say the word Google, which is fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. And that's the free gift you get with a Google Pixel 4 if you pre-ordered it, which you can't do anymore because they're already out. I've got the OSO Orange. See you later, guys. Bye. going to tack this on the end, in case you wondered why it took me a month to receive a phone that I ordered on the 16th of October. This is the story. So, I ordered the phone the day it was released to the public on the 16th of October, went in the shop, paid my early upgrade fee of £40 to get it pre-ordered, so it got delivered on the 24th of October. I was on holiday on the 24th of October, so they said, why don't you get it delivered to the store, that way when you come back, all you got to do is pick it up. So, yeah, sure, so did that. So I come back on holiday on the 26th of October, and I went in the store, showed them my ID, showed them my bank card. I didn't need to show them that because I walked in, they was like, oh, it's you, we know who you are. They went and got it, brought it out to me, just sign this, done, and then they said, just need to scan your ID using our little tablet. They use Surface PCs in the EE store. I don't know why, but they're the only place I know that does. And they said we have to do this because of the security features on the system. Okay, fair enough, there's my ID. They scanned it, and it said, nope, not allowed. Unable to produce code or something like that. And the reason is because my ID ran out of date. I have a provisional driving licence. I don't drive. I'm nearly 30. I'm going to get asked for ID. And my provisional driving licence has my ID, has my date of birth on, and my current address on. Therefore, it doesn't need to be in date because I don't use it to drive. So I was like, okay, whatever. So they sent it back, and it took until the 7th of November for EE to receive it back. And in that time, I got a £100 bill because of the end of month contract and blah blah blah. And then I had to pay that off, which didn't help. So they waived that bill for me eventually. And when they received the phone, they was like, now go into the store and reorder the phone and upgrade in store. And you won't need ID to do it in store because you're there. So okay, fine. So I went in the store on the 8th of November and there was no phone. They didn't have any in stock. So to get past the security features of needing ID to pick it up when it's ordered as a upgrade, I had to then pay £25 to get it stocked into the store as if I was buying the phone outright, not getting it as a contract. So they had to give them £25 more, so it cost me £65 to get a phone I haven't even got. Yeah. And then I had to wait for it. And it finally came on the 16th of November. Went in the store, they brought my phone out to me, gave me the refund, did the upgrade in store. Done. Perfect. So it took me a month to get something I should have had a month ago. And then I finally received the laptop today, 2 days after I got the phone. So yeah, instead of having a month between that and that, I got both in the same weekend. So, happy days in the end, and I got all my money back. So, it hasn't cost me a penny. So, if you're ever going to upgrade in store, make sure you have ID with you if you need to pre-order the phone to get it picked up in store. If not, get it sent to your address. You don't need ID. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. Have a great whenever you are, because you may not be watching this today. It's Monday. Bye.